the way forward. These two case studies highlight RCM programs where there was a significant opportunity to reduce scheduled maintenance. Maybe that is not the case in your organization. Maybe yours is a reactive environment. In that case, if you implement reliability-centered maintenance, you may increase how much scheduled maintenance you do, but you likely have a big opportunity to decrease downtime and increase availability. Maybe you have a good maintenance program, but you know there's room for improvement. RCM can help you optimize your current maintenance. Here are some additional benefits of RCM. When you do a facilitated working group approach to RCM, it fosters a working partnership amongst your team members and builds ownership of the final results. It allows the quality of the equipment to be improved. It improves technical manuals. It offers coherency to scattered efforts and ties problems together. It provides a defensible audit trail. It offers improved transmission of knowledge, where even the most seasoned expert learns. It allows you to obtain information to be used in future procurements. And your team ends up with a higher confidence that we're doing it right. With RCM, participants function as a true team. RCM is a structured process that can be used to achieve any number of objectives. You can use it to focus in on problem areas and address issues that are costing you big time. RCM allows positive impacts to be manifested with your team across your entire organization. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.